Merry Christmas. I know I'm late. It is a Merry Christmas theme song. Alright, Mom, what do we have here today?
Well, we've had this before. So this is our Christmas dinner. Crab legs.
Wait till it falls. See me. Look at that.
Can you see that? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Didn't do anything special to these bad boys, just steamed them. And I have our delicious seafood sauce or whatever. And then, of course, the butter with my little special ingredients in it. No, I don't want to the bottom, but that, and then I'm gonna try this sauce. I still got some sauce from the lamb chops. Hey, and
That's all I eat it.
Exactly. I don't know, it tastes it. It's still so good. You can't see that well, but anyway, this is the lamb. It's the sauce that I use for the lamb chops or whatever. I'm gonna try some of that too, or whatever, before it go bad. It's still good. So anywho, Michaela.
Yes.
Oh, what else?
Oh, we got some nasty stuff that she got.
I love that. I just like that macaroni salad or whatever. No, I didn't make this. And we have a mystery fruit, but anywho. So, Michaela.
Yes. Alright, I'm gonna get into this. See, okay, this is so guys, guess what? What I got for Christmas was I got presents. I got clothes. I got $150 from my dad. He's a cool dad. You guys should. If y'all don't have a dad in this world, come live with my dad. He's a really cool one.
I don't know why she biting. Look, I went and bought the whole utensil set. Got this little thingy here. Whatever it is to help to grab the meat out.
Really?
And this bad boy, this thing is like magic. If you ain't got one of these, you don't know what time it is.
Oh God.
This right here can do a lot.
It really can, but your teeth can do a lot of things too.
So it just, it just works. Yeah. So, you know what I'm saying? So anywho, so yeah, these are the king crabs. This.
I'm not even dipping my crab. What am I doing?
So you got for Christmas.
Oh, I got a new bike. Oh yeah, I got a new bike too. Cause the bike that I had, it was so small for me. Like I could not fit. Like every time I would ride it, it would just like go up to my knees, and I couldn't ride it to school. So I would just walk in the cold.
Girl, bye.
Yep, in the cold and stuff like that.
You want to walk in the cold. You don't want to take the bus service. So that's.
Well, that's because Miss Letitia. Nah. I'm not gonna say no names. Sorry. That's because that person do too much, and she just be yelling at me for no reason. So, girl, bye.
Now you be doing stuff too.
So you're gonna believe someone that's abusive?
Hey, girl, ain't nobody abusing you. Stop. You just be irritating people doing stuff.
Man, Dad knows what's going on. Stop playing.
You know how you don't want to listen. So,
And
the sauce. That's spicy. She don't be want to listen sometimes.
no, that's not true. But Santa came, guys. Santa gave me presents.
So what else you get them, Kayla? You got a bike. You got clothes.
iPhone XR. Santa gave me an iPhone XR, guys. Isn't that crazy? How do you open it?
Open what?
This. In general.
You don't have to, you want me to do it for you?
Yeah, I got it.
See?
Cause I'm a big. That's because there's a lot of spikes on here.
I'm not.
Oh.
This is so good.
What did you do for Christmas, Mom? Mom squad.
Christmas is not over with. So
All right. I'm so slow, y'all. I'm sorry.
the day is not over with.
The day of
So-
Christmas is not over with. I'm sorry, y'all. I keep forgetting that it's.
Oh. I don't know all of them getting up.
And we got the big boy over there.
That's what I was looking for. It's right in my face. So what came with this set, instead of using regular scissors, is what I would do is just wash the
Oh, I need
regular
that.
scissors. So we got our special set for
Crab legs. This thing worked too. And right through. Oh, look at that leg.
So you're happy. So ain't nobody got me bothered with you for a while.
No, for years actually.
No, you know, that's what you say. You kids are so ungrateful, don't even make no sense.
What? How?
Because you are.
Who is R? Joe's ungrateful. Or is he? He doesn't. Oh, he kind of is.
Right. Well,
He's not really. It's just like he likes to beg people for like, oh, can I drive your car, please? Can I drive your car, please?
and what you gonna be doing?
Not begging.
Yeah,
I'm gonna learn how to drive. I'm gonna be begging to learn how to drive. It's a difference than like going somewhere in the hood and doing whatever.
Right.
It's a difference between learning and doing. I think that's the difference.
Right. Okay, well, I'm glad you enjoy your Christmas or whatever it's worth.
What did you do today, Mom? Or just stay home? Or what are you going to do today since it's still Christmas?
I don't know.
She knows she doing, y'all. She just acting like that. She knows she doing.
So, anywho,
She knows she do. Yeah.
you hit that right. She can help herself. Phone got to be on.
It's not my iPhone, it's the Android.
I ate all day.
I'm thirsty, y'all.
Woo! Jesus.
Alright, so I have a surprise for my mom because I got her a present and I wanted to say it on live. Ooh. And see, for Christmas, right? Christmas is all about giving, not wanting. Christmas is about, let me do my speech. Hold on.
What are you doing?
My napkin fell. Let me give my speech real quick. Alright. Okay. Christmas is about giving people love. And I love doing that. I just don't show it. But I'm a lovable kid. And I have $150, actually $200 today, actually. And I'm going to be giving half of it to my mother because I love her so much. And moms need money too to survive. Obviously, how we gonna survive? So I'm giving half of the money to her. She deserves it for taking care of me for 13 years. Get that right. So I'm just giving it to her.
Y'all know I ain't gonna take this girl money, right? But that's a nice thought, Michaela.
What? You're really not gonna I'm giving it to you.
Okay, well you gonna need it before me. With all these trips that's coming up. The 8th grade.
Georgia, someone had to tell them about the news that happened that you didn't tell me. That's so wrong.
I did tell you, girl.
She never told me. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
When did you ever tell me?
You can tell I'll be an aunt for the first time come next spring. So that's a big deal.
Yeah, she's an
I'll be
auntie.
an aunt to a boy and a girl. Twins are coming in the family.
That means that, wait, would I be their cousin? Their first cousin?
Yes.
No, literally their first cousin? Or the second? Like in order?
Ooh, Spike's got me first.
Wait, for real? How? Because Tyra is my first cousin.
I understand that.
So is it just like the same way but on your side of the family?
Yes.
Guys, they're gonna, look guys, I'm their first cousin. I'm stupid for that.
Yeah, so that's something exciting. Now I don't know. Now that I'm thinking about it, I don't know how this gonna taste, but I'm finna try it
What?
with the lamb. I know. So that's what I'm finna do, and then we are going to move on real quick, and I'll finish this up
Mystery food.
in a minute.
Mystery food. We should bring this places. When we go to somewhere in a restaurant with a family member, no, you can't use this. It's ours.
So let me try this with this white sauce.
Nasty.
No, it's not nasty. Okay. I just want to taste different stuff.
Hey, let me try.
Yeah, you try it.
Hopefully I don't throw up.
Girl, bye. Let me see your phone for 1 minute.
Which one?
The Android. Let me see it. Girl, let me see the phone. Stop playing with me. So I got to the internet. I don't know. Hold up. She don't know how to use the phone that she been using for how many years?
Someone called me. Why'd you call me?
Girl, I didn't call you. Give me the
Yes,
phone.
you did. No. We're doing a YouTube video.
I know. I need to see something on there.
YouTube video.
I need to see something on there.
Here, use this.
You're wasting minutes.
Just use
I
this.
need to.
It's faster because my Android's messing up right now. Because I already signed into a lot of things.
Girl, bye.
I did. I signed into a lot of things. Like, I've been downloading.
Oh, boy.
Alright. Guys, while she's doing that, we're going to be talking about something that she's not talking about.
No, actually.
Because you know she be doing too much.
No, I'm going to tell them the mystery fruit.
Oh.
I forgot. My brain is tired. Anyway, so we have a mystery fruit. It is called a pomelo grapefruit. So you know what a grapefruit is. I eat a lot of grapefruits or whatever.
Oh, God.
Usually they're red on the inside, real nice and pink and juicy. So this one has like a yellow, very light yellow flesh. So I'm going to taste it and see if it tastes like
grapefruit.
Right. And so how it's spelled is Pummelo.
Wait,
That's
is it in a fruit family? Like
Yes.
grapefruit? Oh. Put it on inside my, yeah.
So anyway, usually I have this information and I'm like, I ain't got time. I'm tired. So anyway, so I've already cut it in half. So this is how it looks. The light.
Look at my nails, y'all.
Yeah, look at that. Why. So anyway, that's how it looks. Okay. And so I've already cut it. So that's how it looks on the. Let me set that for a good light. So that's how it looks. on the inside. So it's kind of like a very light yellow color. So what we're going to do is, I'm gonna this will just fall over. I mean squeeze this part over there. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to, you know, have Michaela taste it. Okay, so a grapefruit,
There's like a grapefruit.
it's citrusy, right?
Yeah.
But this,
It's like sour and sweet at the same time. Like once you bite into it, it's so sweet, but then as you suck on it or eat it, it's like it's sour.
it's good.
Yeah, it's not bad. Like I would eat it on a daily basis. I want to eat it every day, daily basis.
It tastes like a grapefruit, but
It's just so sour and sweet.
well, it's just a slight difference. So not, it don't taste like ruby red grapefruit, but it still has that grapefruit
Texture.
taste. Wow.
Sorry.
Anyway, so that's all I got. That's about it. That's all. I ain't even get to my macaroni salad, but I'm gonna wrap this up and eat that and finish digging in. So that's about it. What you think? That's it.
Yeah, that's
all. Yeah.
I
Because we
hope you
passed
guys.
our time anyway.
Hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. And comment down below and say Merry Christmas to us. Because then we're giving out a $5 giveaway.
You need to stop.
We are! We're giving out
Girl, we didn't discuss that. Give away no $5 giveaway.
Man, the fans need what they want.
Anyway, on that note,